today we're getting off the ship in Tokyo, Japan. And we're behind the guy with the big long lens. And we got some new crew coming on board. All right, just in time to see us leave. Thank you for coming. So we're gonna go get on a bus that's gonna drive us around Tokyo for a couple hours. I think we stop at the Imperial Palace for a few minutes, stretch our legs before jumping back on the bus and coming here. And then the rest of the day they have a shuttle bus. As long as you catch the last one by 9, you're good. Harumi is the name of this dock. So we're actually in Tokyo, not Yokohama. And I got a feeling we're gonna go through customs or something. Maybe metal detectors. So we went through, I don't know, customs, whatever. They checked our passports. There's the ship. We're out on this checkerboard of a patio. He says the bus is at the bottom of the ramp, so the bottom of the ramp we will go. Lots of tall buildings out there, and even taller ships. If it was raining, wouldn't this be slippery? So we
we'll be back here at almost 5 o'clock over here.
are leaving Harumi Port, and they are just building lots of apartment buildings down here. Look at this tower.
Will be from the beautiful porch.
Oh, what that is.
So please do enjoy that kind of.
So lots of buildings around here. Of course, I got to shoot through the window, which is not ideal.
And before I forget, last time, because this is a kind of evaluation seat, and so please write down here at your very comfortable cabin over there. Maybe later on. So write down
Lady
here.
and a kid on a bike.
So your some certain proper person.
That's our guide talking, by the way. It's a parking, multi-level parking structure with a little hotel, maybe?
442 hectares, or
We're heading to an area called Waterfront, she said. See a giant Tokyo Eye Ferris wheel out there.
2003 with an 8 trillion yen budget.
So we're crossing a big bridge. The ship is right over there, but you won't be able to see it.
You have a
But it's right through that
television company over here.
Anyway, now there's a fence.
The hotel this morning, their garbage.
I still don't know what that is, but I'll figure it out.
Cleaner system is very sucky until the 1868 over there. And last show,
Out of the tunnel.
Yoshinobu Tokugawa, 1867, on the night of October, he
Motorcycle parking?
collected all the feudal roads. Japan was divided into more than
It's
200
multi-level roads here. I mean, we've been up above the town almost the whole way. And there's another level up higher than us. Look at that building.
Next person. Well, our Emperor Mage will be next.
So maybe this is the Imperial Palace?
Here,
I don't know.
very good
A lot of people here.
On the right hand side, this is called Transpacific Palace. Your right hand side. This is the place where
That's the sound of my gimbal banging on the window.
in this corner.
And there's the Imperial Palace. We were there a couple of years ago. And we're going again.
Unfortunately, only except for 2 days. January the 2nd. Happy New Year to the Emperor and Empress and the royal family. I made a kind of album.
grass and some warning signs.
Guarding house, guard house.
Don't cut across, I guess is what it's saying.
That kind of very old
Tall buildings all around.
You remember?
Just got off our bus at the Imperial Palace, more or less. I think the palace is actually way over there. I don't know if we're going to get that far. 15 again? I think that's her right there. See? Because she's got the sign sideways instead of this way, so we can see it. Turn your sign, man. Anyway. So we've come across some statue and some locals. Well, I think they're local. They could be from anywhere in Japan, right? Got your little samurai buddy there. Imperial Palace, we have to cross this street. But I don't know if you could tell, but there are a lot of people here and a lot of buses coming, all doing the same thing. Except her, she's just jogging. Those are pink shirts. Pink shirts. Pink shirts. Pink shirts. I think we're gonna wait here. 12 is us. Us are 12. Shit. She wants to show us something here.
Main gate to the palace over there. Inside is an alley. Not permitted to go. So you are maybe interested. What's the inside of that?
So I guess you heard her. This is the main gate to the inside of the palace. She's come to a halt though, so I guess I will too. Dress that line. Now here's a tourist for you. Hi. Hey, another group. They're everywhere. Look for you on YouTube. YouTube. Yeah, peace sign. Yeah, YouTube. Port monkeys. Where's our guide? Guess it doesn't matter. Let's walk over here where the real action is happening. I'm gonna squeeze right in between all these people. Just like that. And there it is. The palace and the moat. By the way, there's a lot of gravel here. See that? And that's gravelly, 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 gravelly as far as the eye can see. Gravel. Then there's these walkways that are not gravel. Right? Okay. And a guard tower. Last time we were here, I think we got to walk up there. Not this time. We can't see, but there's two little towers there with a guard in uniform just standing at attention there. That must take a lot out of you. Alright, it says keep out. See, there they are. You can't see them very well though. And up there, I can see part of a Very large building. Oh, they're getting the green out, or the yellow, I guess. See up on the hill though? I'm guessing that's the palace up there. And that's the bridge that leads across to it. That's the guys that get the moss out of the lake, the moat. And there's a guard, and there's the other guard over on that side, standing in front of those little white and turquoise towers. So we got busy talking there at the palace. Now there's nobody there taking pictures. And we realized maybe our guide took off, but we still have 20 minutes. Tokyo. I think we're gonna get back on the bus and drive back to the ship, and then get on another bus and come back somewhere. Probably not near here though, I believe.
Trump.
Should be all lit up at night.
New royal couple
Pretty wild
was
right
married
now, huh?
in the 1993 when their ticket was 30. Haruhito was 31 and Masako 29. Oh, this is the central part of Ginza area here. You have an department store on the right hand side, Nissan and Sony.
There's Ginza.
Shops.
Lots of stuff, lots of shopping, lots of people. All the buildings are high rises. Some of them bizarre looking high rises. Then we get into an older part of town. Sorry that keeps smacking against the window, but I'm trying to cut down on glare. Here's an older looking building. I don't think it's actually old, but maybe it is. Theater. For Kabuki theater or something.
800 yen or something. Very short time.
This was a drawbridge, she said, but it's not anymore. It's all covered, so you can't see the water out there. It's like a river, I'm guessing. Big river. Denny's. I also saw a 7-Eleven and a Lawson and a Family Mart. So, oh, that's the building with the bridge across it. So we're almost back to the ship. There, see? See it up there? Back near the port, where all the buildings going on. These are all brand new buildings, one after another. Look up ahead there. There's just a lot of new buildings. They all look like condos or apartments, and there's a lot of them.
My granddaughter asked today why it's always Gramps on the videos. So this one's for you, Ashley. This is Janet from Portland. Say bye from Tokyo, Japan. Portland's up.
She meant Grammy. Sayonara. So here we are sailing into Tokyo Harbor. I guess maybe that's Tokyo Tower there. Red and white building, sort of looks like the Eiffel Tower. Got their own tower right here. We are backing in. The front of the ship is right here, where our cabin is. There's lots of buses lined up there, ready to take us on a tour of Tokyo. A 2-hour tour. So we'll be getting off and taking the ship-included tour, and then getting back on the ship and probably going back out for a little while. They have shuttle buses taking you over to sort of near the Ginza and the Imperial Palace. But anyway, Tokyo. So they've got a Honda with a bar on the front, but they wrap the ropes around. I don't know if it's going to act like a tugboat and pull us in. Those are the ship's ropes, right? I guess he's going to haul them down and hook them on that pole. But they'll do other ropes over to there eventually, I think.